We're thrilled by our most recent 5-star review from someone that just experienced our great customer service. Our team works hard to go the extra mile for everyone, so this type of review is very rewarding. When someone is this happy, it usually leads to a repeat visit with us. And that's what motivates our staff and team to serve you better. We strive hard to achieve great reviews like this. It's inspiring, and anyone who reads a 5-star review is wise because we stand behind our guarantee of 5-star service. You shouldn't settle for anything but the best, and we would love the chance to show you why we receive such amazing reviews. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. We hope to see you soon.